Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Vasna and you're at my channel, The Home Therapy. So in today's video, I'm super excited to share with you this vintage inspired toddler's girls bedroom makeover that I did for my daughter Kiara. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So this is the look of the room before the makeover, and I can't wait to share the process with you. But before we start, I wanted to share this beautiful look outside the window of my daughter's room. As you can see, all the domes here are covering roses, as well as this arch that will have roses covering it. So it's such a beautiful view of the garden. Let me show you a little bit about what I did on the walls to begin with. I had this beautiful vintage inspired wallpaper that I ordered from Etsy. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you're interested. And then I did a board and batten in the bottom part of the wall, and I painted with Evergreen Fog from Sherwin-Williams. And then I changed the light fixture into this beautiful woven lampshade that I found at HomeSense. Please keep watching till the end so you can enjoy the full room makeover and the final reveal. hope you all enjoyed this makeover as much as I did creating this for my daughter. All of these items that you can see have been collected and gathered with love over time, and I was so excited to be able to display it in this vintage inspired bedroom. All of these ideas came from the wallpaper that I fell in love with on Etsy. The color scheme as well as the vintage theme came from that as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you some inspirations. Don't forget to leave my video a big thumbs up. I have 4 kids in total, so I can't wait to make over the other rooms as well and share it all with you. So enjoy your day and hope you have a beautiful rest of the week. Have a good day. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye for now.